Hi guys, today we are working on a 2018 Ford Fusion with VIN number 3F A6 P0H D5 JR 104200. So this vehicle has been on Turo, and it is my top performing vehicle. The guests love this vehicle, and some of them even want to buy it because it drives really nice and never had any issue. So that's why when I got a call that it wouldn't shift out of gear, I was surprised. So I had a mobile mechanic, my mobile mechanic, come look at it, and he determined that this module might be defective. I don't know if the last client forced it up a little bit, but the car, before this client got the vehicle, the car was running well and was highly rated. So, well, this stuff happened. So he determined that this is defective. So we went ahead and bought a brand new Ford module. As you can see, if I pull this, I should be able to, when I apply the brake, I should be able to switch this out of gear, but it's not moving anymore. So I don't know if they drop a liquid there or just normal wear and tear. I don't know, but we will go ahead and replace this with a brand new one from Ford, original OEM, and this is it, brand new OEM from Ford to ensure quality. So yeah, so apparently this is very easy. The only thing we need is T20 Tux and 7mm socket. So let's go ahead and replace this thing quickly, okay? Alright guys, it's very easy to replace this module. So we just start by popping up the trim. On the right side here. Okay. Alright, this is off. And then we will do the same on the left side. So we pop the trim on the left side as well. So the trim is off. Now we are going to pop the side trim. Okay, they come off easy the same way here. See, right, they come off easy. So now we are going to pop the radio trim. Just be gentle, and it's coming off. Just be gentle. Okay. So slowly it came off. So now this is off. Now we have the 7mm socket exposed here. Okay. Alright. We have another 7mm here. Okay. Okay. And then we have one on the side here. 7mm. You can remove this so it doesn't get broken. There you go. Alright. So another 7mm here. And okay. Oh man, hold on. Okay. And one more on this side as well. Okay. It's very easy work. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Is that now this thing should be able to come off. Gently pry. Gently. There's actually two more screws here, one on each side that needs to be removed. Okay. Alright, so when those screws are off, now we should be able to gently pull this thing. Be very gentle. Now it's off. See? So now we just have to disconnect. Gentle. See, you can see that this module is broken. Yeah, they probably broke it. They force it down. It shouldn't be like this. So maybe that's why it's not working. You see how it's moving? It shouldn't be like that. Yeah, people are not used to this, so sometimes people are just a little handsy with it. So yeah, this is different type of gear shifting. So I have a feeling that they probably forced it and broke it, but we will get it replaced. Because see how it's moving? It's not supposed to be moving like this. So now everything is off. We can see that this was a little bit forced down. See? It's loose, but it's okay. This is what happens with clients sometimes. So we will go ahead and replace it and get this car back on the road. So these are 20 mil T20 tux. Okay, it's another T20 tux. Okay, and then this is off. Yeah, so this is a broken Mojo. Alright, we have a brand new one, original here. Original that we'll be replacing with the old one. Okay, and this should fix our issue. Okay, so our new Mojo is the old one that we are getting rid of. So I'm putting in the new one. Okay, and then screw that back in with the T20 tux. Let me adjust the camera real quick. So we are installing the new Mojo. It's already put in there. So now we just putting back the screw to hold it. They are all is held by T20. Okay. Okay, here's the last one. Alright, let's tie this down a little bit. Hopefully they are more gentle with this from now on, because the old one was broken, like the tab was broken. So okay, so this is what the new Mojo looks like, brand new shifter. So, and this will take care of our issues. Okay, so everything is tight and pulled back together. So yeah, it looks good. So that's it. So all needs to be done now is just putting the bezel and everything back together, and we should be good to go. let's try and shift the new knob and see if it will work fine. So we are in reverse, we are in neutral, we are in drive. It looks good. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. Everything works perfectly. Parking brake is working. Shifting smoothly. Reverse, neutral, drive. So it's good now. Alright, so we will put all this back together and take it for an inspection Monday and send everything back to Turo, and we should be good to go. So this is the old module. See, you can see that they broke here, and they also broke here. You can see it's broken here. Yeah, I think they forced it. So see, it's locked. It's not turning. Yeah. See how it is. Now it start turning again. But before, when I was trying to turn it, it wouldn't turn, and out of a sudden it start turning. So it's no good. It's broken. So this will fix our issue. So alright, thanks for watching.